Hello everyone, this is Tyler with My Computer Works. If you saw our first video, you know this is the part 2 of the first video where we talked about best practices when working from home. So essentially we were giving you some free tips that you can start using right away when working from home. Now if you missed the first video, all we really discussed in that video was a quick tip, and that was password protecting your devices with a good password, right? Something complicated, something with numbers, something with letters, something with special characters, symbols, right? That's important. And making it kind of big and not easy to guess, not prudent to you, not something that just anyone could figure out by knowing you, right? So that was video 1. This is video 2, talking about working from home. So today I want to talk to you about connectivity. I work from home, and I can tell you right now that connectivity is one of the most important things when working from home. So what can you do to check your connectivity when you're working from home? Well, there's actually a free tool that anyone can use, anyone can access, that's online, that you can start using right now to check your internet speeds and connectivity. So the website is called speedtest.net, and I'm not just gonna leave you with that. I want to show you how that tool works. So let's hop over here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what that looks like. Come on. Run the speed test here at speedtest.net. If you are confused by the results, that's okay. I'll give you a guideline here to go by, but just know that speed test will vary from PC to PC, even in your own home, and from times of the day it may change. So it's good to run a few throughout the day, not just one, if you really want to get a baseline for what your average speed is. Now back to the results. For PingMS, this is how long it takes for your computer to send out data and make connection to servers on the internet and then send data back to you. So with that number, you want it to be low, right? Because that means your computer is communicating quicker with the servers across the internet. We want that. So again, below 30 there in the PingMS, that would be considered optimal. For download, anything 100 megabytes per second or higher, so 100 Mbps or higher, is considered acceptable for high internet usage homes. And an upload speed of 10 to 30 Mbps or 10 to 30 megabytes per second would also be considered optimal for upload. Okay, pretty cool little tool, right? Easy to use, right? Very simple, gives you results right away. You don't have to pay anything. That's always nice. So yeah, check your guys' speed tests. Go online, go to speedtest.net, run that test, see what you're getting, okay? Because you guys got to think about something. Everyone needs to think about something that I think a lot of people overlook on a daily basis, and that's that you pay your internet service provider for a service, and that is to get internet at a certain speed, whatever package you're paying for, because there are different tiers. So if you're getting really, really low speeds, you don't like where you're at, right? And you're working from home and you're stressing out because emails are taking forever to get to people you're sending them to. You're trying to get to websites or portals that you need to use for your job, and it's taking forever. There are things you can do. You don't have to accept these speed test results that you got. You can improve them. There are a couple things you can do. The first thing is identify what connection type you have, right? There's 2 forms of this. The first form is identifying the connection type that you have in terms of, do you have satellite, do you have cable, do you have fiber? That's an important thing to know. Some connection types are faster than others, right? So for example, fiber is faster than satellite. It's just usually the case almost all the time. So you're going to want to look and see what type of connection you have, and that will tell you if maybe you need to change out, right? So if you're working from home, you had satellite, that was fine when you were just doing little things like going online, playing Facebook games, things like that. But now if you're working from home, satellite might not cut the bill. You might have to upgrade and get yourself some fiber optic internet, right? Or move to cable. There's options. So you can move off satellite. The other option is if you are using a wireless connection, right? So let's say you're wireless, you're using the Wi-Fi, you can swap over to an Ethernet wired connection. So actually running a cable from your device into your router, that actually increases the speed. Wired connection is always faster and more stable than wireless connection. I mean, 9 times out of 10, unless there's something wrong with your network environment, that is gonna be the case, which gets me to the next point. Network equipment and network environments, sometimes just the way things are set up or the equipment you have is causing an issue. I mean, I've heard of squirrels chewing through cords and ruining an internet environment, the network environment. There's a lot of different factors to it. So you don't have to tackle all that alone. You can always reach out to professionals like the ones here at My Computer Works to take a look at things if we can and try to identify the issue. We also have on-site techs that can come out and check that out too. So you can get professional help is one way, and then talking to your internet service provider and keeping them in the loop, trying to figure it out. But you won't know what to improve if you're not running the test. So the first step is run the test, see where you're at, and then we can try to find ways to improve. Guys, I hope this was a useful video. I hope you guys wind up using the speed test tool. If you have any questions about it, any concerns, you need further help, check out below in the description. There's our website, our phone number. I want you guys to like, sub, share these videos. Let people know who need these tips, who are working from home and maybe don't know anything about connectivity, security, backing up their devices, things like that. Again, hope this video was helpful. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.